Hey everyone! Today marks a somber anniversary in American history. It's a day that has left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of people not just in the United States, but around the world. September 11th, often called 9/11, is a date that echoes with grief and resilience. It's a day that changed the course of history and altered countless lives forever. So, what exactly happened on that fateful day in 2001? The events of that day are etched into our collective memory. Well, 4 commercial airplanes were hijacked by al-Qaeda terrorists. These terrorists had a calculated plan to inflict maximum damage and instill fear. 2 of these planes, American Airlines Flight 11 and United Airlines Flight 175, crashed into the north and south towers of the World Trade Center in New York City. The impact was catastrophic. The impact led to the collapse of both towers, forever altering the NYC skyline. The sight of the towers falling is one that many will never forget. A third plane, American Airlines Flight 77, was flown into the Pentagon in Arlington, Virginia. This attack struck at the heart of the nation's defense. The fourth plane, United Airlines Flight 93, was aimed at another target in Washington, D.C., likely the Capitol or the White House, but passengers heroically intervened. Their bravery prevented further tragedy. The plane crashed into a field in Pennsylvania, sparing countless lives but costing their own. Their sacrifice is a poignant reminder of the courage that can emerge in the face of terror. Nearly 3,000 innocent lives were lost that day. The devastation was unimaginable. Families were torn apart, and the nation was plunged into mourning. Firefighters, police officers, first responders, and ordinary citizens became heroes, rushing toward danger to save others. Their selflessness and bravery were awe-inspiring. The bravery displayed that day is beyond words. It showed the best of humanity in the worst of times. So why do people write so many statuses and tributes every year on September 11th? Why do we feel compelled to share our memories and emotions? It's simple to remember. To ensure that the lives lost and the heroism displayed are never forgotten. We honor those who perished and the heroes who risked everything. It's a way to keep their memories alive and to pay our respects. It's a collective act of mourning and a testament to our resilience and unity in the face of terror. It shows that we stand together even in the darkest times. By posting tributes and writing statuses, we ensure that the memory of that day and the people affected never fades. It's a way to connect with others who share our grief and our resolve. It's a way of saying, we remember you, we honor your sacrifice. Your legacy lives on in our hearts and minds. September 11th is also a time to reflect on the impact of terrorism and the importance of vigilance. It reminds us to stay alert and to work towards a safer world, unity and compassion. It's a day that brings us together, reminding us of our shared humanity. It's a day that reminds us of our shared humanity, our strength, and our ability to come together even after the darkest of days. It's a testament to the human spirit, our strength, and our ability to come together even after the darkest of days. It's a testament to the human spirit and our capacity for resilience. So, as the country pauses to remember, take a moment to reflect, to honor, and to share. Take a moment to reflect, to honor, and to share. Because in remembering, we find healing, to honor and to share. Because remembering helps us heal, and it ensures that the legacy of those we lost continues to inspire future generations. Because remembering helps us heal, and it ensures that the legacy of those we lost continues to inspire future generations. Thanks for listening. Stay safe, everyone, and it ensures that the legacy of those we lost continues to inspire future generations. Thanks for listening. Stay safe, everyone.